There's no question script writing is incredibly important to the success of your next explainer video, product demo, or promo video. And I've been on the fence for a long time as to the best way to attack script writing. And I've come to the conclusion that in 90% of cases, it's very inefficient to hire a script writer because at the end of the day, you know your business better than anyone else. I believe AI, given the right prompts and information, is now able to generate really engaging, good scripts, shortening the time it takes for you to get to the animation stage of producing your next video. With the right tools, which I'm going to show you in this video, over the course of a few hours, you can create a fantastic script that works really well for your next video project and save yourself thousands of pounds or dollars compared to hiring an outsourced scriptwriter. Scripts can be broken down into 3 core sections. They have a number of different names, but I refer to these as the hook, your intro, the body of your video being your value proposition in most cases, and then the end being your CTA or call to action. With examples, I'm going to show you some videos that I think do this very well, some of which are clients that we've worked with. Hopefully this allows you to then take this information, feed that information with your knowledge into an AI model like ChatGPT and generate awesome scripts for your next project. The hook that I really like is from a client of ours called Leave Dates.
Staying on top of your team's time off can be exhausting. Text requests, emails, in-person pestering, post-its on your desk.
So you've just seen the hook there. What they do really well, really early on, is they're super specific about their target user, in this case being HR managers, and straight away they're addressing the pain points of this. They then go on to deliver their company information or who they are after they've got the intrigue of their prospects. It's really important to think about how your video is being used. As an agency, we categorize video into 3 distinct sections of the buyer journey. Some could argue there's more, some would say we just want one video, but in our view, there's promo videos, explainer, and product demos, and they're different emotions that you're playing to, and you have to think about how your script is going to be used. In this case, it's going to be used as a first stage of the marketing funnel video. The video's actually got 70,000 views because they put a lot of paid ad spend behind it on YouTube, and it was to generate awareness. So really early on, you're trying to tie yourself in or hit the pain points of the users that you are targeting. The middle of your video is going to make up the majority of the duration. As a rule of thumb, 60 to 70% of your video is going to be the value proposition. And there are a number of ways that you can communicate your value to your audience. One example I really like is a client of ours called Bonsai.
If you're like R&B singer Jordan Simone and have more fans on Instagram than YouTube, you can use Bonsai to convert passive followers into active engagement. Our YouTube comment feature is proven to boost engagement on your music videos, both old and new, driving thousands of views and growing the number of comments per video by 36%.
Now, what Bonsai do really well is they use case studies and specific figures to highlight the benefits of their solution to their users. And I think if you are writing a prompt to ChatGPT or another AI model to generate you a script, I think one of the most helpful bits of information that you can give is potentially a case study or real world examples of how your software has helped others that are similar to those that you're targeting. The third section to your video, and it seems obvious, is your call to action, but something that's overlooked often is the lack of ability to be really specific. It's very common to then book a demo, but to take this a step further, give your prospects or existing customers a reason to take action. Book a demo to learn how we can reduce your marketing expenditure by 50% or whatever your value add is here. Reiterate it and use that CTA to make a real impact, make a punch, and get people to take action. So to recap, I think AI has the ability to help you write excellent scripts. Questions or hypothetical questions are a great way to engage users. Using case studies is a fantastic way to enhance your value proposition and be really specific with your CTA. The duration of sections is going to vary from video to video, but whether it's a 60-second, 9-second, 2-minute video, as a ratio or a rule of thumb, you want to be spending about 20% on your open, on your hook, 60% on your value proposition, and then 20% on your CTA. And that might change, and it might be nearer to kind of 10%, 80%, 10, but as a rule, your bulk of your video, your value proposition is going to be between 60 and 80% of your video. Hopefully that is helpful. We are currently working on our own AI script generator, which will be available soon on Motion the Agency's website. If you need any more information on those prompts or the information you can give to AI, I have created a downloadable resource which you can find in the link below.